Patterns: natural, repeated, growing, and number pattern. Mathematics is the science of patterns. We see patterns every day around us. We all human beings follow a pattern in our daily life. That is, getting up in the morning and sleeping at night. The process continues. This is an example of pattern in life. Rising and setting of the sun is also a pattern followed in nature. To grow mathematically, children are exposed to have a rich variety of patterns that may exist in the form of numbers, shapes, etc. in the world around us. Any process that is being repeated based on certain rules is a pattern. Observe these. Natural patterns. A kind of plant bears similar types of leaves. Leaves of a rose plant, leaves of a neem plant. A zebra with pattern of black and white stripes. Repeated patterns. This pattern is repeated as one triangle pointed up and the other pointed down. Growing patterns. This pattern is growing in square shape. Number patterns. Each number pattern follows certain rules. In this pattern, 5 is added each time. In this pattern, 4 is subtracted each time. In this pattern, 2 is multiplied each time. Complete each pattern. Symmetry. We know that one kind of plant has similar pattern of leaves. If we look at a leaf of a plant, we find a symmetry too. Let us divide a leaf in halves. We will often find that one half has the same shape as the other. Symmetry exists all around us, and many people see it as being a thing of beauty. Symmetry is when a figure has two sides that are mirror images of one another. It would then be possible to draw a line through a picture of the object and along either side of the image, which would look exactly the same. This line would be called a line of symmetry. Look at the dotted line on the given pictures. This shape shows a line of symmetry. The parts match when the picture is folded. It looks like a flip. This shape does not show a line of symmetry. The parts do not match when the picture is folded. A line of symmetry is like a mirror image line. One side of the line of symmetry is an exact mirror image of the other or one half of it. If you fold the shape on the dotted line, the two parts fit. This kind of shape is called a symmetrical shape. Mirror. Line of symmetry. Some shapes have more than one line of symmetry. This shape has 6 lines of symmetry. This shape has 4 lines of symmetry. Does the shape show symmetry? Circle yes or no. Complete each symmetrical pattern. Take help of a small mirror along with a line to see what the reflection would be like. Math Lab Activity Tangram. Aim: understanding concept of paper folding, cutting and rearranging to form different shapes using tangram pieces. Material required: a square size piece of paper or card sheet, a pair of scissors, a ruler, a pencil. Activity 1. Fold the square piece of paper in half, then again in half, making the square piece of paper into quarters. Repeat this step, resulting the square piece of paper divided into 16. 2. Unfold the paper. 3. Draw lines along the red lines marked in the figure. Cut along these lines. You will now have 7 pieces. A small square, 2 small triangles, a medium-sized triangle, 2 large triangles, and a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a 4-sided figure with each side parallel to the opposite side. Have a fun by arranging these geometrical 7 pieces in forming number of shapes. Some of the shapes by joining these 7 pieces are given below. A candle, a girl, a duck, a rabbit. Tiling. We know tangram pieces are in geometrical shapes. We enjoyed good fun by arranging them in different ways, forming various shapes. Arrangement of tiles in different shapes are also seen on floors and walls. When we arrange them in such a way that they completely cover an area without overlapping or leaving any gap is called tiling. Look at the shape of each tile and see how it fits. These shapes leave gaps. Sometimes when there are gaps between the shapes, then those are not a tiling. Reading a map. Tiling is an art seen in different floors and walls. Let us now learn to reach from one place to another by looking at a pictorial map. Rohan is new to the town. From his house, he wants to go to the school. Help him to reach the school. Also guide him to the other main places of the town. 1. Read the map to fill in the blanks.